In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Notion using Make. Whether you're trying to streamline your workflow or keep better track of your leads, this simple yet powerful process is incredibly useful and will help you stay organized. We'll walk through each step carefully, so let's dive in. To start off, you'll want to open the Notion page where you'd like to keep track of your Facebook lead ads information. Make sure you're on the right page because this will serve as your central hub for storing and viewing all the leads you collect. Notion is a great choice for this because it's flexible, collaborative, and easy to use once you get the hang of it. Next, you'll need to head over to your Facebook Ads Manager to get the link for the specific lead ad form that you're running. This is where all the action happens because this link is what connects your Facebook lead ads to your Notion page through Make. Finding this link might take a minute, so navigate through your ads until you spot the exact form that you want to track in Notion. Once you've found that link, copy it. You might want to double check that you've got the correct link by giving it a quick test in your browser to ensure it points exactly where you need it. Now head back to your Notion page. This is the exciting part. You're about to set up a seamless connection that will feed information directly from your Facebook leads to your Notion database. You'll paste the link that you just copied into the Notion page. Think of this as laying the foundation for the connection between Facebook and Notion. It may not look like much yet, but it's a critical step in setting up the automation. Now that the link is in place, it's time to use Make to build the bridge. Make is an automation platform that connects different apps and services to streamline workflows and eliminate manual data entry. In Make, you'll set up a scenario that triggers whenever a new lead is generated by your Facebook ads. Look for the appropriate modules within. Make that allow you to select your Facebook lead ad form and link it to the Notion page where you pasted your URL. Within Make, follow the instructions to authenticate both your Facebook account and your Notion workspace. Don't worry, it's as simple as clicking a few buttons to grant access. This might involve logging into your accounts, but once it's done, the complex part is over. Finally, run a test to make sure everything is working smoothly. Once you confirm that the data from Facebook is accurately appearing in your Notion page, you can sit back and know that your system is ready to start capturing leads seamlessly. There you have it. With this setup, you'll save time and reduce errors by automating the transfer of leads from Facebook into Notion. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!